People always ask me, what do you use for live TV now that gears went down? It's called IPTV Smarter. It has the time on top, the expiration on the bottom. Shit is awesome. Click live TV. The first one is network TV, which is all local cable channels. Yeah, all the local channels. I'm gonna just go down the list.
Here's Freeman. And Freeman is able to
AMC,
pick up
Animal Planet.
In fact, I think it's interesting, something you mentioned earlier, that
BT,
the SMU offense wants to complete a pass on first down, but they've run the ball a number of times today, and they haven't been able to get things going.
Bravo,
so
Cartoon Network.
Running the football right now is sort of
Cooking channel for all the people that like cooking, WB. Disney Channel, all the Disney channels, so we don't need no Disney Plus. Food Network.
They haven't done that yet, but I assume they're sitting on it, waiting for the right time. I think they're kind of feeling out the weather right now.
Keep going.
The wind is going right in their
Walmart.
face, so let's look for the second quarter, maybe.
HJTV.
They go straight ahead with Freeman, and Freeman maybe didn't get it. Obviously, the yellow line unofficial.
MTV,
Like
MTV2. Nickelodeon.
Tried to go for it on fourth down earlier today before an offsides penalty.
This is my favorite here, Revoke. I watch The Breakfast Club every morning.
Plus 4 free Samsung Galaxy phones, all on our super reliable, super fast network.
What else?
For everybody give their one a return, give them the gift that's
TNT.
on everybody's list. Cash.
USA,
Pepsi, get a match and get that money for it.
VH1 for Love and Hip Hop.
And I gotta tell you, the Cons seem more interested in hitting the cards than tackling the ball carrier.
Then after it goes alphabetical order, then it comes the movie channels, HBOs, all the HBOs, all the Cinemax, all the Showtime, Stars for Powers. Oops, I pressed the button by mistake. Let's go back, down.
I think they were making more noise than the FAU fans at that particular time. But
And to avoid all this, you could go to any channel, right? Check this out. You go to any channel, hold the center button, right? And then put add to favorites, and then you can make your own little category with your favorites, with your favorite channels. That's the best shit about this shit. So HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, Stars, all the stars. Goddamn. Sky Cinema. But that's enough for that. Remember I told you about the favorites? Look at the favorites right here. These are my 10 favorite channels right now. You didn't even have to go through that whole list. Just add them shit to your favorite, and you don't even have to bother with none of that shit. Religion, location. This is for NFL and I think it's college basketball network, hockey, basketball, and they got baseball somewhere on it. Oh, right here, Major League package. Christmas 24/7, movies. So if you like movies 24/7, they got them by category too. Look, Back to the Future, all day, 24/7. Beverly Hills Cop, my favorite. I was watching this shit earlier.
Well, you ain't got nothing to worry about then. I don't know what y'all think I am, some kind of fool. Hurry up, quicker.
Hurry up! Y'all niggas that like Bruce Lee, right there. Denzel Washington, all his movies. Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, all his movies. Fast and the Furious, one of my favorites. All day movies, 24/7. And the list keep going and going and going. Then you got the 24/7 Kids, which is one of my favorites too. All the classics cartoons from the 80s, baby, the Jetsons. One of my favorite, Thundercats. Oh, Thundercats are on the loose.
Thundercats are on the loose.
What else? 24/7 TV. Got all these shits. I was watching this earlier, friends.
And now who was it?
For the people that love, how you call it? Power, you can watch that shit all day. All day. Pimp My Ride, remember that? Shit is crazy. Okay, then it has like Canada channels, Latinos, all the Latino channels, Shit got everything. Canal 5, I think that's Dominican shit. But this list is crazy, bro. Look. I'm on this. And everything is in Spanish. HBO in Spanish, Nickelodeon in Spanish, Telemundo, all them shits. Huepa, I think Puerto Rico. Disney, come on, let's keep going on, man. Let me see what else. German, UK, French, Italian, adult channel. I'm not gonna show you much about this, but all you gotta do is go there, click anyone you want, and there you go. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to get banned and shit. Portuguese, Caribbean, you know, and Brazil. Shit is dope, man. Y'all want to get connected? Let me know. Hit me up. All the sports channels, all of them. ESPNs, Fox, NBA channel,
A little chippy. Well,
NFL Network.
Yeah, Rocky Long's not going to like this. He told us at halftime, right, that he didn't like the
WWE Network.
Back so far in here, you know, Isaiah Richardson just
got everything you need.
Cleans up the backside in a block.
All the sports packages. All the cable channels. All the cartoons. Anything you need, it has it in one app. Alright, no buffering, none of that shit. So hit me up if you're interested.